Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make a hair conditioner using Kerabase as the base. This hair conditioner can also be used as a mask. Kerabase is a conditioning base. It contains hair conditioning ingredients: brassica alcohol, brassica, vidopropyl dimethylamine, aspartic acid, polyester and EDTA. It is a complete base. It is not completely natural or eco-certified, but it has 95% of bio-based ingredients. This is our phase A ingredients, phase B and phase C. Kerabase, oils and Lexfeel, water, glycerin, preservative, Xylishine, fragrance oil and anti-dandruff extracts. First, I'll add the glycerin in water. Now we will add the oil phase ingredients in another beaker. The next goes coconut oil in Lexfeel. Now these will go on a double boiler until everything is melted. I will pour the oil phase into water phase quickly. This is the preservative, and now goes the extracts and fragrance oil. We need to blend it again. This is now ready to pour in the bottle. Here is the Coco hair conditioner, and this is what it looks like. For more information on the ingredients and substitutions, you can check my blog in the description box. Thank you for watching.